What's up, guys? Zeg here, playing. What's his name? Well, White Noise. Yeah, I'm playing White Noise with Inky here. This game is full of beaches. You know, like I'm awesome. Like I don't get scared. I'm a big boy now, right, Inky?
Sure.
Yeah, I see. He tells me to. He tells me at night. Cuddles me too. He says like I'm a big boy. All right, let's go. Let's do this. Hit it with the 1, 2. Go.
Damn. Alright, let's do this. Before eating Magma is online.
You know what I want to do? Like put a camera in my room and then let it roll all night and see what the fuck I can see. I dare you to do it again. What if you find a ghost?
Alright, it's like, just in case you're not recording, I got a potato duct taped to my forehead. But I'm like recording in first person view.
Stupid. Alright, you got this. Alright, you have a potato?
Yeah.
I found it.
Oh, bitch.
I'm in for a day. So yeah, I think they're in the same spot.
I think so, yeah. Damn, the pickle. Go away from it.
I just stared at it. I'm scared.
Look how pretty the sky is. Did you stare at the sky?
Yes, look at the beautifulness.
Now you're gonna get Ebola. Stare at the sky, you get Ebola automatically.
No, look at the Hawaiians. Obviously, they don't look like that. I don't. Obviously, the sky where I live doesn't look purple.
He said Hawaiian.
The Hawaiian.
Oh. They called me Blaziken. Let's go. Let's go.
Let go. Let go, my ankle.
Oh, now that you're recording right now, I say that everybody on that's watching this should go follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is at StarkBlueCholo69. Bank me or shank me. Frick, no, turn around.
I saw him. Inky, I'm running away.
Come at me, cuh. Come at me. Fucking, I'll pull out a fucking pocket knife on that.
Bro, no shit. You have that like too much gel hair and like that fucking jacket that no one wears in fucking 1987.
I get all the bitches. That's how I get all the bitches.
Oh, okay. Alright, he gets all the bitches.
I get all the bitches. Oh, green pickle.
I saw it. I had a glimpse of the green pickle.
Oh, you're gonna get Ebola now. Wait, weren't we just here? We were.
I think we're roaming around.
Circle.
Oh my god. Or we went in a triangle.
Wait.
Or a square.
Yeah, we were here.
We weren't.
We were? Oh shit, I can hear him.
Yeah.
Let me cuh.
I'm at him.
Scared. Oh shit.
Oh my god, dude, I saw a bald bitch.
Come at me. 15 years of prison changed me. Come at me, cuh. I'm not scared of you.
Stupid.
Live in the subway.
15 years of prison changed me.
Sometimes without my parents knowing, I go into the kitchen and instead of pouring my milk into a glass, I drink it straight out of the jug.
This gangster, man. I do that too with the orange juice.
Oh shit. Hey. Do this. Hear him. Oh look, the bridge.
The bridge. Oh my god, the bridge to Terabithia. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Lego. Bridge to Terabithia. Let's go. Woo-hoo! I think I found them. Doesn't look like it. I don't think that Horizon look like that. I don't think my sky looks purple. Like, you know. I know it's black, but I That ain't proper. Let me tell you about this. I heard this from History Class. Hey man, History Class? Oh my god, the green pickle. The green pickle. All hail the green pickle. Wait, there's a sign here. Look, we have to read it.
Alright, signs.
No words.
That says Bitchfield.
Oh my god, I just saw him. I'm running away. He's coming for me.
Oh, come at me, cuz.
Come at me.
You. I dropped the soap multiple times in the showers. Alright?
Yeah, dude, come at him.
I'm tough, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, sure, sometimes when I drop the soap, I start crying, but, you know, I endure the pain.
He did his best.
Yeah, it's best.
Yeah, he was in the bitch in the playground, but, you know.
Hey, look, these are the dragons.
Wow.
Was that your best dragon impression?
No, I think that was a dinosaur right there. Right now. I hear one.
Still there, yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Shut up! Here's it's beautiful.
No, oh look, I told you, man. The ancient minds used to use this thing as a big dildo for their god. Yes.
Mine is pointer.
But that's bad.
Really?
I can see his boogers. Look, dude.
Where?
Those boogers, man. Smile. Oh my god. Bro, look at this hand. Oh my god. I know what this hand indicates. Doggy style.
Where you go? Oh, you're right there. Randy.
I hear him. Do you hear him?
Look at this guy's hair. What the fuck is
It's all wavy.
wrong? Doesn't even shop at Gucci, honestly. Doesn't get his clothes from Versace or Gucci. Like,
okay, I know what these two hands indicate.
going for the big old titties.
Big old titties.
Big old titties. Yeah.
My flashlight.
Dude, your flashlight can't hang.
I have a question. How do we... I think I lost it.
Oh, the cabin in the woods. The cabin in the woods.
So, do I regenerate batteries?
So you can't regenerate.
So if you lose it, you lose it?
Yeah. Are you still following me, by the way?
Yeah.
Alright, sick. Got 4. Wait, the movie The Cabin in the Woods, isn't Jennifer Lawrence in that movie?
I have no idea.
That's my sister. I would call her, but what time is it? 43.
You really gonna call your sister while we're in the woods? Well, there's an old creepy guy.
Old creepy bald guy asking us,
hey guys, you know, high as a spider, dude. Don't worry, you got this. Dude, what's they call it now? He comes at you and says like, you know how like those old perverts, they go like, or the old pedophiles, they go, oh, wanna get in my car? I got candy, you know that?
Yeah.
They go like, I got Wi-Fi.
I got free Wi-Fi.
I got free Wi-Fi.
I got Netflix.
I got weed.
And then for the white girls, he's like, I got yourself a pumpkin spice latte. Gonna come by a van. Got some pumpkin spice latte.
Dude.
I got some Uggs. I got some new iPhone 6 cases. You know, I got everything you want.
My daddy owns half a JC Penney.
Did we already visit this little house? Hello?
Yeah, I think we just like